Welcome to africachoice.com. Here are step by step how to create a post, be read all over the world, reach thousands to millions of people all over the world, leveraging africachoice.com. First, you need to create account with africachoice.com, but if you already have an account, you can as well log in. To create an account, just enter your username, your active email address, then choose a password for yourself, then check this to verify that you are a human. Okay, so after that you need to do what? Agree to the terms and condition and click on register. When that is done, a confirmation message will be sent to the email address you entered. Okay, but if you already have an account, of course you can do what? Login, or after you have created account you can log in. Okay, so to log in, just enter your email address or your username, then your password, click on login. You are good to go. Just as I have here, I have logged in as Waxing. Waxing is my username. Just as I have logged in, Waxing is the username I use in creating an account with africachoice.com. Okay, so you can take a look. There are so many things you can do with africachoice.com. You can even leverage the marketplace, posting, selling your digital product and services as well, non-digital product and services. Okay, now talk on categories. Africa's Choice has a lot of categories. As you can see, these are categories. Are you seeing? These are list of categories. Yes, all these are categories. You can create a post under any of the categories. Okay, so when that is done, when you have logged in, you can click on either new post or new post. Okay, that is to create a post. To create a product, you can click on new product or new product, but let's focus on creating post first. So click on new post. Okay, it will take you to a new interface where you can click on post thread. So click on it. As you can see, you have to select category. Okay, depending on what your post, the category or the type of articles, okay, your post, your article is all about, that will determine the categories, the choice of category you need to select. Okay, so because this post is introduction, is all about Africa Choice, I will scroll down to what? Others, and select introduction. Okay, so mind you, there are so many. As you can see, for business arise, we have entertainment, we have all these. Okay, so under the main menu, which is Africa Choice, we have politics, etc., health, job and vacancies. Okay, so we also have on what? Science and tech, affiliate marketing, etc. So you can just play along. Okay, so down here, so let me go to introduction. So when you are here, this is the main interface, the post thread interface of Africa Choice. You can add your title here. Okay, your title goes here. Okay, sometimes your title can as well be your tag. You can copy your title, come to this tag. Are you seeing this tag features? Then paste your title. Okay, so your title can be your tag, or you can use any related keywords to the title. Okay, so here you can now start writing about your text content. Okay, so there are other formatting features. As you can see, these are formatting features. You can use these features to do what? Format your content. This is for title size. You can increase it. Okay, to do that, just highlight it. You can come here, you can make it like this, you can make it like this. Okay, you can even decide to title it. This is title and paragraph. Okay, so you can decide to make it heading 2. Okay, so or heading 3. Okay, so by default it's on paragraph, which is normal. Okay, you can bring in pictures. To add picture, you just here, then you can select your picture from your phone or from your desktop computer. Okay, so you can play along, just play with it. Okay, so I don't want to make this post, so when you're done, just click on post thread and you are good to go. Personally, I don't want to make this post. Okay, this is just a sample post to how to do what post, how to create a post live on what africachoice.com. Okay, so let me return back. Mind you, I have already created a post on this. This is it, how to post on africachoice.com. So let's go here. So what I will do now is to re-edit it. Okay, so everything I said live on this video, you can also read them up here step by step. Okay, so now let me come down to what editing. You can, after making post, you can always re-edit your post article. All you need to do is to scroll down and you see this edit, you can click on it and you're good to go. Okay, so for repetition's sake, you can go through this post article, this post thread, which covers how to post on Africa Choice. All I'm saying live on this video is details, step by step, live on this post thread. Okay, so let's click on here, edit. As you can see, I have used most of these format tools. This is bold, this is italic, etc. This is coloring. Okay, so there are other here. You can also see other features, text fonts. Okay, your font families is here. Okay, so even here you can see some few ones. Okay, so when you're done with your formatting, you are good to go. You can click on post thread. Because I'm re-editing this thing, this post, what I will have is now save, so I can just click on save. Meanwhile, your attachment is also here. You can also attach files such as images, PDF, etc. So let's click on save, and that is all.